Sa to. Aray, aray. Come to Qatar. Yeah, one day I will go to Qatar. One day, but not not now. I will. You make normal things. Anyone make it on live. Make difference. What make difference? I'm from Dubai. Let's go for dinner. Yeah, I want to eat seafoods. Can someone treat me? You from China? No, I'm not from China. I want to eat seafoods. Oh, fuck. I will take you. Wala. I want to eat seafood. Go to the beach. Go to the beach, eat, let's do it away. Yes, chef. Oh, you have restaurant, right? Can you send it through Talabat? Catch the fish. Ayun, Talabat? Yeah, Talabat. Hi, Loles. Thank you for the follow. What should you eat? I want to eat mix seafoods. Yeah, wait lang. Give me location. Hello. Talabat stop delivering in Satua. Why did it stop delivering in Satua? Why? Sandal lamang. How are you? Hi Adele. Thank you for the follow. Na, na, na. Hello. Habibi, come to Dubai. Bye-bye. Why you never answer? You okay? Fuck.